Good morning. So, it's 5 a.m. Today is the day that I'm gonna get out of the house, go and explore nature, take a drive. So, I'm all dressed up, ready to go. Time to get out of the fucking house. First I need some sustenance, so yeah bitch. Let's eat a yellow tree dick. I usually make really fancy breakfasts. Put some pictures up. Not today. I have plans. Banana. Okay, here we go. Just at the gas station getting some fuel for my journey. Yeah, just getting something to drink. Nature! Fuck yeah. Beautiful this is. Jesus, I'm like in the forest. I love it. Trees, baby. Yeah. I think I should just live here. Like, in the trees. Fucking wild. It's beautiful. Love it so much. I seriously need to get myself a dash cam. Or something, or even a drone to follow me. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't hold your phone while you're driving. That's bad. But this is just so beautiful. This road's a bit rough for my car. I need a four-wheel drive, something. But I love it. Yeah. And we're here.
Oh, discount.
At least the road here is like paved. Cement. Yay, we're in. And I say we because that red car in front of me that you've been seeing in probably all the videos, that's my family. My mom, my dad, my grandma. So I'm technically going out with them, but in my own ride. So I can still do my own thing, leave when I want to leave, you know? Plus I love driving, so that's cool. But yeah, waterfall soon. The falls are down there somewhere. You can probably hear them. Or maybe not, I don't know. I can hear them. There we go, look. It's up there. Yeah. People died here. That's bleak. Fresh spring water from the mountain. You can probably drink it, I don't know. Oh. Seriously unfit trying to go up this hill. It's quite steep, difficult to show you in the video. Come from down there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back down. Fuck, I'm so unfit. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna go into town now, nearby town, to go buy something to eat, because it's like lunchtime. I'm hungry. Yeah, this is great. I'll come here again, maybe try the hiking trails and stuff, like the one that I nearly went up at, but my legs got all shaky because I'm so unfit. Yeah, anyway, let's go back to the road. Oh my god, bananas! I just had lunch in Tsanin at Wimpy, but I'm gonna head back home now, and yeah, I'm kind of sleepy though. It's been a fun day, but I'm definitely gonna do this again soon. Decided to stop at the dam on my way back, and crocodiles and hippos. Oh my god, let's see. Well, that was anticlimactic. No hippos or crocodiles. Just a reservoir that apparently serves the town here. So, on the road again. Another dirt road. Okay, now for real, I'm really heading home. As soon as I get off this dirt road. Because I don't want to drive in the dark. But yeah, it's been an awesome day. Thanks for joining me on my journey. Well, there we go. I just got home. That was a nice day. But now I'm tired of driving. I will review my video footage and make the video that you are currently watching. Right now, I just need to chill for like a minute. And, yeah, it's been great. Thanks for joining me on my trip out of the house.